Fractions. A number of the form a by b, where a and b are the whole numbers and b is not equal to 0, is a fraction. The number a is the numerator and b is the denominator. I think by reading the definition and you are getting a lot of confused. So I'll give the easy way to get an idea. See, a by b. So a is a numerator, b is a denominator. Instead of taking this much big definition, we can take the small one also. So which is, a part of a whole is called a fraction. A part of a whole is called a fraction. And one more condition is, here this b means a denominator. This b is never equals to 0. If it is equal to 0, then we cannot say that is as a fraction. In generally, you know this, suppose if we take any figure, for that you can write in the shaded portion, unshaded portion as like, there the numerator you will write the shaded portion and the denominator you will write as a total number of the parts. Here total number of the parts is a 0, means in the numerator anything will come? No, na? So that case. Examples for the fraction. I am going to write here example. See, 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 7 by 2, 1, 2 by 3, 111 by 123. As like you can write see, everywhere here the b means the downside denominator is not equal to 0. Here it is 2, here 5, here 2, here 3, here 123. So in all the cases denominator is not equal to 0. Okay, for you one question. Here I taken the two circles. Now I am going to draw a little bit on that circles. Once you observe it, yeah, I think everybody you can observe this too. So in this one, which one is suitable for the fraction? It is my question. Are you able to give the answer for this? Once you try. Some people they may count as like 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4, 5th part, and they can write suppose if I do shading here, they may write that 2 by 5. Is it correct? This one. Suppose here I will shade it here. Okay. In both the figure, we want to write that shaded portion. So some people they may write as like, see this total number is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This shaded portion is 2. And here the total number part is 4. Shaded portion is 1. Okay, here my question is, which one is the correct one? Can I say? See, this one is a wrong one. Why? Anyone? Are you able to guess? This one is a wrong one. Why? This one is a correct one. So, why? Anybody? Okay, I'll only explain. See, by observing this figure, you can observe very clearly this is a part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. And all the parts are equal. See, part 1 is equal to part 2, part 2 equal to 3, 3 is equal to 4, 4 is equals to 1. Means here we done all the parts are equal. But if we go for here the first part is a different, second part is a different, third part is a different, fourth part area is different, this fifth part area is a different. I think you can observe very clearly. Yes. So when we can write as a fraction, when we are able to do equal number of the pieces, then only we can write in the form of the fraction. Otherwise, no. So this one is a wrong method. Okay. So this one we cannot write because 5 parts, but 5 parts are not equal. And here we can write very clearly that 4 parts. That 4 parts are equal. In that one part is a shaded one. Okay, I shaded one part. So I can write that 1 by 3. This is a shaded part. What? Shaded part. Unshaded part. Unshaded part how many? 1, 2, 3. So 3. By total number of the parts 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 3 by 4 is a unshaded part. I think everybody got an clear idea about fraction. So everybody remember that. So this one is a wrong one. This one is a right one. The next topic is a fraction and its types. Suppose generally if we take the classroom, in a classroom we can separate into the 2 parts. One is boys one side and girls one side. So means according to their properties, then we are segregating. Here according to the numerator and denominator, they are separating. Here the proper fraction, numerator, denominator. See, numerator is less than the denominator, then we'll say that's a proper fraction. Improper fraction, numerator by denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator, then we say that is a improper fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means a whole number, numerator and denominator. Here this numerator is less than the denominator. Means every improper fraction we can convert into the form of the mixed fraction. I'll give the different examples for this. See, here the proper fraction 1 by 2. Numerator is less than the denominator. 7 by 12. Here 13 by 5. Because numerator is greater than the denominator. 3 by 2. Here the numerator is greater than the denominator. Here 1 by 2. See, 1 is a whole number and this is a proper fraction. 3 7 by 5. As like 2 3 by 5. Yeah, here now I want to go for the pictorial representation of proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Here you can see here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means total 2 parts. In that one part is a shaded one. Here total 6 parts. In that 5 parts are the shaded one. See, it's a total one figure. In that one figure only we divided into the equal parts. Here the total 2 parts, in that 1 part is shaded. Here total 6 parts, in that 5 parts are the shaded one. Here 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 2 means that's a total number of the parts is 2. So here, so 3 means see, here this total figure plus this in that figure half. So total together 3 by 2. How? I'll explain here. This is 2 by 2 and this is plus 1 by 2. Total together is denominator is same. So this is 3 by 2. Here this is 5 by 3 means in the figure if you take in a whole in that they divided into the 3 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3. In that 5 parts are shaded. See 3 parts. See total 5 parts are the shaded. So then we can write, see this is 3 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Total together is 5 by 3. Here 1.5. So see this total figure is a full one. Half. This 1 plus half. 1.5. 1 plus half 1. Here 2 by 3 means each one they divided into the 3 equal parts. See 1, 2. See in each figure how many parts are there? 3 parts, 3 equal parts. Now I want to shade for this. First these 2 figures fully. Then in that in last one 2 parts because 2 by 3 is there. See first part, second part. So we can say this one is 3 by 3 plus 3 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 3 by 3 means that 1. 1 plus 1, 2 and equals to 2 by 3. I think got a clear idea about proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Once again I will recapitulate your this knowledge what you have. See, proper fraction means numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. Mixed fraction means a whole number consisting of a proper fraction. Here pictorial representation, by the pictorial representation I think you got a clear idea about the topic.